Hindi talaga magiging solusyon para mawala ito,
Okay.
para bumaba. So, kailangan talagang we have to talk about condom, we have to talk about PrEP, we have to talk about condom being sold in convenience store at home. Kailangan, kesa malaman pa niya sa iba, bilang mga magulang, kailangan natin talagang i-guide. Hindi natin sila nababantayan 24 hours. And the 500% increase, baka tumaas pa ng tumaas. And yung sinasabi mong stigma kanina, stigma ang kalaban because HIV is not really a death sentence eh. It's even, having diabetes is even worse yata, if I'm not mistaken. Kasi ang dami kong, yung mga na-interview ko dati, they're having good lives now. I mean, lalaki na katawan, legit, also, basta may treatment. Okay, so it's just the stigma. You will not die. Basta paayos, living, yung treatment mo, tuloy-tuloy. And it's libre yung gamot.
So what I'm taking away from that answer is you want to break the stigma. Kasi napaka-conservative natin na nation. So let's talk about that. So even us now, Sir June, di ba? Parang alinlangan tayo, nag-aalinlangan tayong pag-usapan